One of the really important aspects to passive house design is understanding how and where all of the air is coming into and going out of the house. Okay? Typical homes are going to have bath fans that are blowing air outside. You're going to have a range hood maybe that's blowing air outside. And the other exhaust appliance that you have is your dryer. Okay? With a super, super tight passive house, we need to make provisions for makeup air for your bath fans, for your range hoods, and for your dryers. Okay? There is another option though, and that option is a heat pump dryer. So instead of having to run a duct to the outside to bring that cold air in, that maybe we've got a resistance heater in line to help heat that air up that we're bringing in, just to make up for the air that the dryer is blowing outside, we have a heat pump dryer. And a heat pump dryer works very similar. It works just like a normal dryer. Right? You turn it on, you put the clothes in the drum, you clean the filter out, and you hit start. Right? Works the exact same way. The only difference is there is a secondary filter that we need to clean roughly every 5th cycle. And we're lucky enough today to see that I need to clean that filter because this red light here is going to come on to tell us, oh, it's time to clean that secondary filter. Okay? Other than that, this is going to work a lot like a dehumidifier. Okay? And it's going to dehumidify the clothes that are in the drum. And just like you have a dehumidifier maybe in your basement, where that water either gets dumped into the slop sink, or it gets pumped to your sump pump or something like that. There is a pump in here that is going to pump the water that was in your clothes and pump it down the same drain as the washer, okay? Which makes it really, really convenient when you're doing laundry because you can put a washer and dryer now in any part of the house that you can get a drain. You don't have to necessarily worry about how you're going to vent that dryer, right? You got to put the dryer on an outside wall, or we've got to put a dryer in the basement so that we can easily vent it to the outside. It's much more flexible when you have a heat pump dryer and all you need is a drain.